We've all been there. You meet someone new or someone you kind of know. You start with the basics. Hey, how are you? What do you do? After a few exchanges, silence. That long, awkward pause where both of you suddenly want to check your phone. I've been there too, at weddings, parties, work events, talking to a distant relative or a stranger you'll probably never see again. But what if you could talk to anyone confidently, naturally, and never run out of things to say? Most of us struggle because of social anxiety or simply being untrained. Being good at conversations isn't about being charismatic or confident by nature. It's a skill you can learn. Like any skill, it improves with practice. Here are the 3 simple habits that make all the difference. 1. Ask intentional questions. Imagine someone says, "I went golfing over the weekend." You could reply with, "Oh, that's cool," and let it die. Or you can follow up, "Where do you usually play? How long have you been playing? Do you play competitively?" Even if you don't care about golf, these questions show interest and keep the conversation alive. They put you in control. Every good conversation is a chain of questions and answers, and the person asking guides where it goes. 2. Listen more than you speak. Most people think great talkers just talk more. The opposite is true. To get better at conversation, listen more actively. That means giving full attention instead of planning your next line. When you truly listen, you catch details, emotions, and clues that lead to better follow-ups. You won't have to force topics, they'll emerge naturally. Most people don't listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. Don't be that person. 3. Find common ground. We connect fastest with people who share our interests, experiences, or values. Sometimes it's obvious. Other times it takes a bit of digging. Ask the right questions and pay attention, and you'll find something that clicks, whether it's a shared hobby, favorite food, similar challenge, or even a mutual dislike. Once you hit that point, steer the conversation there. It stops feeling like work and starts feeling natural and fun. Not every conversation will flow perfectly. There will be pauses and dead ends sometimes, and that's okay. Silence isn't failure, it's just space. Get comfortable with it, and the pressure disappears. Good conversations aren't about charm or sounding interesting. They're about curiosity, patience, and presence. Apply these 3 habits, ask intentional questions, listen actively, and find common ground, and you'll never truly run out of things to say. Over time, you'll realize the real goal isn't to be interesting. It's to be genuinely interested. Which habit will you try first?